Hey guys, so I got some fittings. I'm gonna put an 8 feed line on here. It came with the 6, but I'm just not satisfied with that. I'm gonna put an 8 on there so I don't have to worry about it at all. Just doing some reading, and they said in order to get the 650 you actually have to have an 8 majority of the time feed. So I don't want to deal with that. I just want to have it right off the bat. So I got this instead of this guy, so I can use a straight off of here instead of a 45. And anyways, I'll get the pump mounted and the feed line ran, because I got my 8 feed line right here. Just got to put it in the car, mount the pump, and headed that direction. Everything will be pretty good pretty quick. This time of year is hard in Oregon. Kids really just want to play, but it rains like every day, it seems like. We got a little break in the rain in there, tearing it up. Getting nasty. It just excavated a ditch right in the driveway here. Torque's out running around. He's been trapped in the house for a couple days. What you guys doing? You making a road? It's pretty sweet.
I'm not paying.
What are you doing then?
I'm making racing. We're running a racing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, Josiah. Shoes are on the wrong feet.
I'll show you, Dad. I'll show you.
Well, I got both of the fuel lines ran. I got the return and the feed. I gotta tie this off over here, but got them ran down the middle of the car. The drive shaft in this has that torque arm over it, so it's on the back side on the tunnel all the way down. Well, you can see it right here. Anyways, it's running along the tunnel, and then it comes up through this bin back here. Anyways, so now I just got to mount my fuel pump in here, run the return right here. Got to put a fitting on that, and then mount the pump, run a line from the tank to the pump, and then to there, and then... Hey guys, so I just got my Sniper powered up for the first time. I just got the wiring just ridiculous in here, just so I could install it. Ashton, no, please stop. So this is a 550 516. It's that one. 8. This is a, oh, it's not that big. It's a 283. I'm sure that I'll be able to go back later and change that. Wow. Okay, here we go. Next. Target idle speed. I'll do like 900 for right now. This has a street strip camshaft in it. Gonna have, huh. Have MSD distributor. No box. I'm gonna let this control it. Wide open throttle ignition timing. So if I'm 15 pounds, start at 30. So, I think I got it hooked up enough to start. Got a toggle switch here. Everything fires up. I'm gonna try. You wanna take that cup of gas? Is that oil? Oh man, that's oil.
Oh, see?
Oh no, it's just... Okay. I got little black dots all over me. Probably all over my face too. Yeah, they're on the camera. I can see one on my nose. It's just... moisture. And all the carbon in the pipes, but it's just blowing in my face. I was scared. That was awesome. I can't believe how it just fired up and ran. I've seen people just have a terrible time with these things.
Yeah. Didn't have to do anything to it.
Wow. I'm gonna start it back up because tell you what, if Holley made it easy enough for me to do it, anybody can do it. That's all I got to say about that. Now watch out for that header. I think try to cut my finger clear off. It's almost healed up now, but anyways, okay. ECU out. What did I do with that other socket? Oh, it's still on the roof.